Latest crypto and NFT news. Crypto community shouldn't be punished for one bad actor, says jespow. jespow, the co-founder of Kraken, says that the entire crypto community shouldn't be punished for one bad actor in a Ponzi scheme, referring to FTX and SBF. Crypto.com revealed as sponsor for FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. The successful opening ceremony of FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 showed the official sponsors of the event, including Crypto.com, a renowned centralized exchange and ecosystem in Web3. A Chinese firm is experimenting with an AI CEO and metaverse workplace. NetDragon, a China-based technology firm, is bringing a new concept of a metaverse workplace and artificial intelligence robot aka Tangyu as the CEO of Fujian NetDragon Websoft. BSTROY x Givenchy with Feldzine debut phygital NFTs. Recently, Givenchy, a global fashion brand, announced a collaboration with BSTROY to drop a capsule collection. They also announced a partnership with Feldzine to debut an NFT collection. Visit our website for more news.